Alright everybody, I'll be doing a review and opening on NightIZE Task Light LED headlamp. I bought this at Sports Authority out in California, Vista. Before it was 20 bucks, now it's $9.99. And what I like about it is because it's right here, water resistance. There was one that it was just a stick, and it held 3 batteries on the bottom and 1 stick, and it's all this material. It's all silicone, and it was waterproof, and it floated in water. But they sold that out real quick on that one. It says over here 4 feet, 20 hours of life, and only what, 0.81 ounces. That's pretty good. These are extra batteries, extra batteries. Yep, extra batteries. Let's see how this works. Hopefully it's extra batteries. Huh, there we go. Now when pressing it, feels like a, oh, blinks. Feels like about 8 to 5 pound pressure to activate, instead of one of those ones that you confirm. You really have to press this one. Well, my head ain't that big, so let's see this. Now the reason why I bought this is because kayak fishing early in the morning or kayak fishing at night. Oh my gosh. Man. Not bad. Could be brighter. And that is my review on NightIZE Light. Alright, thanks for watching.